Back when hunting was an integral part of fulfilling man's basic needs, dogs would accompany hunters on their hunting expeditions. Over a period of time, dogs came to be domesticated and have remained so ever since. Dogs are seen as faithful beings, hunters, guardians, spirit guides, and a treasured part of the family. The same can be said in case of the cats. Although it has been commonly accepted that cats were first domesticated in Egypt 4,000 years ago, their history among human beings goes back much further. Archaeological excavations in the past have shown evidence that the Near Eastern wild cat is the closest relative of the modern-day domestic cat. These cats were bred to keep the mice away from food grains and consumables. Now, as mankind has found its solace, and hunting being illegal in India and most parts of Asia, these domesticated dogs and cats are now abandoned and labeled as stray dogs or stray cats. This is because mankind has conveniently uninhibited them after domesticating them for their own needs. They are now on the streets because of man's selfish means and inhumanity towards the voiceless. Sensing this urgent need of care and compassion, Karma Foundation has stepped in and is helping such animals either on site or by admitting them into our facility. We strongly believe in the philosophy, it's their universe too. And with this philosophy intact, Karma has outrun the greatest centers and has achieved a rank of being an unparalleled medical facility available in India, which by all means is a ray of sunshine, as there are not many organizations that have these kind of impeccable resources.
He's a Bob. He came to us 6 months back. He met with a road accident, and you can see he lost one eye, left eye, and he lost the main teeth, like this canine teeth. We discovered many things. This has not been done in India. Canine implant has been done in the abroad. Recently, he's been checked whether the implants been placed properly, is fixed properly, and through the X-ray and through other tests, it is the implants are fixed.
We have accomplished this stature of being one of a kind medical facility owing to our undying spirit and tireless efforts. We strongly believe that the best way to reduce human-animal conflict and animal-animal conflict is birth control. We conduct animal birth control surgeries each day at our facility and keep the animals for post-operative care until they are fit to be released back to where they are picked up from. We work towards rehoming animals. Our volunteers work tirelessly finding good homes for the stray and abandoned animals. Every adoption happens after a strict screening and house visit by our approved volunteers.
Guru here, the Rottweiler that you see, is a classic example of what actually happens in such shelters and rescue operations. He was brought here, surrendered by backyard breeders, brought in an auto with all 4 legs tied, mouth tied, almost paraplegic, platelet counts down. He was so bad he could not get up. A dog his size weighed only 16 kilos. He was aggressive, wouldn't let anybody near him. Of course, understood why. He had maggot wounds. And just look at his rehab. I mean, he now takes, treats without trying to snatch from your hand. He was told that he's aggressive and, not suitable for homes. I have personally taken him out and I've made sure that he has no aggression towards people if he's not bothered. He's no aggression towards other dogs, nor does he have any aggression towards cattle. I actually checked all of that out because I had to get him out of a confined environment into an open environment to see how this beautiful dog, so badly abused and treated, could transform.
2 दिवसापासून हा कुत्रा ऑफिसपाशी पडला होता, काही खात पीत नव्हता. तर मला कोणीतरी इकडचा ॲड्रेस सांगितला आणि मी इकडे ह्यांना घेऊन आलो. 3 दिवसापासून ह्याचं ट्रीटमेंट चालू आहे इकडं आणि बऱ्यापैकी ह्याच्यात इम्प्रूव्हमेंट आहे.
Karma Foundation's good work has always been appreciated and acknowledged by various media channels and print publication majors. Even during the peak of the pandemic, we were one of the few who took it upon ourselves and selflessly served and helped many street animals by regularly feeding and providing them with the necessary medical care.
Karma Foundation has managed to garner love and appreciation from stalwarts and celebrities like Bollywood stars John Abraham, Dia Mirza, Sunny Leone, Monica Dogra, Ali Fazal, Ashish Kapoor, Rajiv Siddharth, Rahul Singh, captain of women's national cricket team Mithali Raj, and many more who wish to remain anonymous. We at Karma have also received a generous donation and support from the magnanimous Bajaj Group from the iconic Mr. Rahul Bajaj himself, who has graciously appreciated the efforts put in by us. We are proud to have Royal Canine from the Mars Group as our food and nutrition sponsor, who have extended enormous support to our cause.
There are just some of the many accolades and achievements that we have managed to earn for ourselves only because of our hard work, commitment, selfless work practices, and immense dedication of the founders and our team towards this one cause. It's their universe too.
Karma Foundation has expansion plans which we are looking to complete in the next 5 years. One of them is an on-site team for Pune and PCMC, where we plan to handle about 200-250 cases each month. We are also looking at building a teaching hospital for budding veterinary students, where they can learn best practices, anesthesia protocol and surgery. The intent of this is to reduce the overall fatality, which is quite high in India currently. The third thing which we are looking at is to have a bigger setup where we can accommodate large animals and farm animals, because currently we don't do that. We treat them on site, but we cannot admit them. The fourth thing which we want to do is build an animal sanctuary. We come across a lot of pet parents who, because of their age, can't manage their pets, or there are old stray animals who can't survive on the road. There is no place for such pets. We plan to build such a place, take care of them in the last leg of their life.
I therefore request you all to have it in your heart to acknowledge, help and support Karma Foundation in all they try and do for the stray animals of Pune. Please do have it in your magnanimity to donate a little for the cause. Any good work, good intention and a revolution of any kind have been successful only because of the endless support, compassion, belief and trust of our beneficiaries. We at Karma appeal and humbly request you to come forward to offer your support for these innocent and voiceless creatures.
It's you and us who can together
Make this change happen.
The change of giving them their right to exist.
Their right to breathe, enjoy, play and truly make.
Gives them a possibility.
It's their universe too.
Please extend your love and support by making a generous contribution towards our cause. I'm not telling you it's going to be easy, but I'm saying it's definitely going to be worth it. Please find the donation link in the description.